Hi y'all, Alex here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you what I made in PowerPoint during class today. So at the first slide you can see this is a thumbnail I made for my YouTube video teaching you how to change your download folder using the 4K Video Downloader Plus as an example for this video. Then we move on to the second slide. That slide right there, what I'm doing, this is a pretty much a bio for me. I didn't know what a bio was. I learned during class that this is where people read and learn what you do. So as you can see on the right side is basically my bio. I advertise some of my YouTube channels. Now on the left side I had some open space, so I put another thumbnail that I had made that day right there. And I also put advertised our business's event site at desirettobe.org/events. Now we move on to the third slide, and that slide we wrap up what we covered in the video teaching you how to change your download folder. So it just has some basic steps. Then under that I advertise our desirettobe.org/courses website. Then in the blue box under that I have our YouTube channels at I Ain't Got No Time For That and at Making It the VIP. Now we move on to the third slide. We have I said third slide again. I'm sorry, fourth slide, and we have the objective, the benefit, and what we're training. These are all still going to the same how to change your download folder using the 4K Video Downloader Plus as an example. We have our objective, we have some bullets under that, then we move on to benefits, some bullets under that, and then what we're training, we have some bullets under that. And I also took the time out at the bottom of this to advertise again our YouTube channels. I Ain't Got No Time For That and Making It the VIP. And I thank you for watching this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.